So if you have a Tableau desktop and the commercial version of the desktop, where is the license key is likely to expire. So you need to do something for all your visualizations that has been created by your Tableau desktop, such that there is a free Tableau desktop which is called Tableau Public that can open. But Tableau Public is a limited features, so the Tableau file, for example, the twbx, may not be able to open by Tableau Public until you do something that I have shown in this video. And you can download it from the public.tableau.com. And now, but there is an issue is for the work you have created with the Tableau desktop, the regular commercial desktop, and you need to do something so your Tableau Public can open it. So right now I'm open the Tableau Public. I'm trying to open a work that I have created, for example. For example, the sales.twbx. So if I open it with a Tableau Public, I'm going to get an error because the visualization I created with Tableau Desktop was linking to the live data sources. In this example, it was the Excel spreadsheet. Okay, so now in order for the work the visualization created by Tableau, the commercial desktop, and then let's just exit this Tableau Public and open the commercial desktop. So this is a Tableau commercial desktop, and it has a managed license key. So right now I'm just clicking File, clicking Open. I'm going to open the sales.twbx. I should be able to open because this is a full feature commercial desktop. So I can open it. Now, the thing you need to do is clicking the data source and clicking the extract, making sure you need to create an extract. So therefore, the Tableau Public will then be able to create this visualization. So instead of in the live is selected, you select the extract and click the file, clicking Save. And then it will ask you to save the workbook. You must either create extract or click cancel. So therefore you need to clicking create extract. So clicking create extract. So it will create the extract. So now you can simply clicking Tableau, clicking Quick Tableau, and it will ask you, do you want to save the change to the workbook to the same file? I clicking yes. So now I exit. So next time, I'm going to open the Tableau Public. So now I will be able to clicking File, clicking Open. Now I tried to open the same file I was not able to open before, the sales.twbx. This time, I should be able to open because the data source now is in the form of extract. So if I clicking the sales.twbx, clicking Open, now I open it. Okay, now I open it. So this is the way you can preserve your work. So making sure is before the license key of your Tableau commercial desktop expire, you convert all your visualizations from the data sources to make it to create an extract for each of the data sources of your visualization work. So therefore, from now on, you should be able to open with a free Tableau Public on all your existing visualization work.